Tired of the same old kitchen routine? Get ready to spice things up with the top 30 Amazon kitchen gadgets that'll seriously change the way you cook, prep, and serve. From clever time savers to incredible must-haves, these Amazon kitchen gadgets are pure genius. And yes, they're all just a click away in the description. Whether you're a foodie, a home chef, or just love cool kitchen gadgets, this list is packed with surprises. But wait till you see number 17. It's the one nobody saw coming. Number 1. Keurig K Elite Coffee Maker. Start your day with barista-level coffee at home using the Keurig K Elite Coffee Maker. This sleek machine is designed for serious coffee lovers. It features a strong brew setting that kicks your coffee up a notch and an iced setting for brewing hot over ice without watering it down. With a 75-ounce water reservoir, it's ideal for households that go through several cups a day without needing constant refills. You can choose from multiple cup sizes, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 ounces, and it brews in under a minute. Whether you're a morning rush type or a slow sipper, the Keurig K Elite gives you fresh, consistent flavor every time. Number 2. Silicone Utensil Rest. Keep your countertops clean and organized while cooking with the Silicone Utensil Rest. This small but mighty tool holds multiple utensils at once, spatulas, spoons, ladles, without making a mess. Its raised edges and drip pad catch any sauces or oils, helping you avoid stains and clean up headaches. Made from food-grade silicone, it's heat-resistant, dishwasher safe, and fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Whether you're making a quick stir-fry or a holiday feast, the Utensil Rest keeps your tools close by and your space tidy. Number 3. Cuisinart Coffee Maker. If you're into classic drip coffee, the Cuisinart Coffee Maker delivers both performance and convenience. It brews up to 14 cups with bold flavor, and it's fully programmable, so your coffee can be ready the moment you wake up. The control panel is user-friendly with a digital display and brew strength option. It also has a self-clean function and a charcoal water filter to ensure every cup is pure and fresh. Whether it's for daily use or hosting guests, this coffee maker brings professional-grade brewing into your kitchen without a hefty price tag. Number 4. Dash My Mug Ice Cream Maker. Make creamy, dreamy treats right in your kitchen with the Dash My Mug Ice Cream Maker. This compact gadget is perfect for anyone who wants homemade ice cream without the hassle. Just freeze the base, add your ingredients, and mix. It creates soft serve in about 10 minutes. It's ideal for small portions and experimenting with flavors, like mint chip, cookies and cream, or even dairy-free options. Plus, it's easy to clean and doesn't take up much space, making it a fun, functional tool for kids and adults alike. Number 5. Kitchen Knife Set. Every kitchen needs a solid set of knives, and a high-quality kitchen knife set takes your cooking to the next level. Look for sets that include chef's knives, paring knives, bread knives, and utility blades, all made from stainless steel for durability and precision. The ergonomic handles offer comfort during extended prep sessions, and most sets come with a sleek block for storage. Whether you're slicing vegetables, carving meats, or prepping sushi, a reliable knife set saves time and improves safety in the kitchen. Number 6. Silicone Faucet Handle. Drip Catcher. Tray mat. Say goodbye to water stains around your kitchen sink with the silicone faucet handle. Drip Catcher Tray Mat. This smart accessory wraps neatly around the base of your faucet, catching drips and splashes that would otherwise pool on your countertop. It's made of soft, absorbent, and quick-drying silicone that's easy to rinse or toss in the dishwasher. Simple to install and perfect for busy homes, it keeps your sink area looking neat and dry while extending the life of your counters and cabinetry. Number 7. Rotary Cheese Grater. Grate cheese quickly and safely with the Rotary Cheese Grater, an essential tool for pasta, night, Taco Tuesday, or homemade pizza parties. Just load in your cheese, turn the crank, and let the sharp stainless steel drum do the work. No more scraped knuckles or uneven shreds. It works great for hard cheeses like Parmesan, as well as softer options and even nuts or chocolate. Many models come apart easily for cleaning and are dishwasher safe. A rotary grater is one of those gadgets you didn't know you needed until you use it once. Number 8. Owala Marvel. FreeSip Insulated Stainless Steel Water Bottle. Staying hydrated in the kitchen just got cooler with the Owala Marvel FreeSip Water Bottle. This insulated stainless steel bottle keeps your drinks cold for up to 24 hours and has a unique FreeSip spout. You can sip upright through the built-in straw or tilt it back and chug. The leak-proof lid, wide opening for ice cubes, and fun Marvel character designs make it a fan favorite for both adults and kids. Whether you're meal prepping, cooking, or running errands, this bottle keeps you refreshed and stylish at the same time. Number 9. Magic Bullet Blender. If you're tight on space but big on nutrition, the Magic Bullet Blender is a powerhouse in a compact design. It blends smoothies, sauces, dips, and more in seconds, making it perfect for busy mornings or quick snacks. Just fill the cup, twist on the blade, and blend directly into the same container. With minimal cleanup and easy storage, it's a go-to gadget for students, small kitchens, or anyone who wants speed and simplicity. From smoothies to salsa, the Magic Bullet gets the job done fast without taking over your counter. Number 10. Secura Electric Wine Opener. Make wine nights effortless with the Secura Electric Wine Opener. This sleek gadget uncorks bottles at the push of a button, opening up to 30 bottles on a single charge. Just place it over the cork, press, and watch it remove the cork smoothly in seconds, no tugging or twisting required. It comes with a charging base, LED lighting, and a foil cutter for convenience. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or winding down with a glass after work, this electric opener adds a touch of modern luxury to your kitchen or bar setup. Number 11. Chef IQ Smart Cooker. The Chef IQ Smart Cooker is a next-generation pressure cooker designed for the connected kitchen. It pairs with your smartphone to guide you through over 1,000 recipes and auto-adjusts time and temperature for perfect results. From slow cooking to searing and steaming, it's a one-pot powerhouse with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. What sets it apart is the built-in scale for precise measurements and the sleek LCD display. Whether you're meal prepping or whipping up a weeknight dinner, the Chef IQ makes it smart, safe, and seriously convenient. This is the future of pressure cooking, and it fits right on your countertop. Number 12. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 is a modern kitchen classic. It combines a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and warmer, all in one sleek appliance. This gadget dramatically cuts down on cooking time while retaining flavor and nutrients in your meals. It's easy to use with one-touch programs for everything from soups to stews and even desserts. With its 6-quart size, it's ideal for families or batch cooking. The Instant Pot revolutionized home cooking, and if you don't already have one, it's time to see what the hype is about. Number 13. Ninja Foodi 8-quart 9-in-1 Deluxe XL Pressure Cooker. If you're after versatility and large capacity, the Ninja Foodi 8-quart Deluxe XL delivers. It combines a pressure cooker, air fryer, steamer, slow cooker, and more, all in one unit. You can cook, crisp, and tenderize your meals in record time with minimal effort. The included crisping lid is a game changer, giving your meals that golden, crispy finish without the mess of deep frying. It's perfect for busy families or meal preppers who want big portions and big flavor. With 9 functions, it's like having a full kitchen in one smart machine. Number 14. Crock-Pot 7-quart Oval Manual Slow Cooker. Sometimes simplicity is the key, and the Crock-Pot 7-quart Manual Slow Cooker does exactly what it promises. With its classic oval design and manual controls, it's perfect for making hearty stews, pulled pork, soups, and more. Set it in the morning and come home to a ready meal. It's large enough to serve over 8 people, making it ideal for family gatherings, parties, or weekly meal prep. Easy to clean and incredibly reliable, this slow cooker is a no-fuss, all-flavor staple for anyone who loves home-cooked meals without standing over the stove. Number 15. Hamilton Beach 10-cup food processor. Chop, slice, shred, and puree like a pro with the Hamilton Beach 10-cup food processor. It offers 2 speeds plus pulse control, giving you flexibility for any ingredient. The large capacity bowl handles everything from salsas to doughs with ease. What makes it stand out is the stack and snap assembly system, which eliminates tricky twisting and locking. It also comes with a versatile S-blade and a reversible slicing shredding disc. Compact and affordable, it's a great entry-level processor that doesn't compromise on performance. Number 16. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is the ultimate countertop oven. With 13 cooking functions including bake, roast, broil, toast, and air fry, it does everything your traditional oven can and more. Its Element IQ system uses smart heat distribution for even, crispy results every time. This oven preheats fast and fits a $13 pizza or a whole chicken. The LCD display and intuitive controls make it easy to use, and the stainless steel design looks great in any kitchen. Whether you're crisping fries or roasting veggies, this appliance delivers high-performance results without heating up your whole kitchen. Number 17. Kitchen-in-the-Box Stand. Mixer, compact yet powerful. The Kitchen-in-the-Box Stand mixer is perfect for small kitchens, apartment dwellers, or beginner bakers. It offers 6 speed settings and a tilt head design for easy access to the mixing bowl. Don't let its size fool you. It can whip cream, mix dough, and handle batters with no problem. It includes a stainless steel bowl, dough hook, whisk, and beater attachment. The compact footprint and stylish design make it a fun and functional addition to any kitchen space. Ideal for anyone who wants mixing power without the bulk of a full-size stand mixer. Number 18. Cuisinart 14-Cup Food Processor. The Cuisinart 14-Cup Food Processor is a workhorse for serious home cooks. It has a large capacity bowl and powerful 720-watt motor that can tackle everything from kneading dough to slicing vegetables. It includes a slicing disc, shredding disc, and chopping blade for total prep control. Its simple on-off pulse controls make operation a breeze, and cleanup is straightforward thanks to dishwasher-safe parts. If you do a lot of cooking or hosting, this food processor saves time and ensures uniform, professional-grade results in every dish you prepare. Number 19. Ninja Professional 72 OZ Countertop Blender. Whether it's smoothies, soups, or frozen drinks, the Ninja, a professional 72 OZ countertop blender, blends it all with ease. With 1,000 watts of power and total crushing blades, it pulverizes ice, fruits, and veggies in seconds. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for large batches. It's great for morning smoothies, frozen margaritas, or pureeing sauces. Easy to use and clean, this blender is a staple for households that want consistent blending performance. If you're looking for power and value in one package, the Ninja Professional Blender delivers both. Number 20. Vitamix Propel Series 750 Blender. The Vitamix Propel Series 750 is a premium blender built for perfection. It features 5 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts, and more. With a 64-ounce container and a 2.2 horsepower motor, it can handle just about anything you throw into it. Its aircraft-grade stainless steel blades deliver silky smooth results, whether you're blending nut butters or green juices. It's also self-cleaning. Just add warm water and dish soap and let it run. If you're serious about blending, the Vitamix 750 is an investment that pays off with unmatched performance and durability. Number 21. Tasty Mini Sandwich Maker. The Tasty Mini Sandwich Maker is the perfect gadget for quick and easy snacks. It lets you make toasted sandwiches, paninis, or breakfast melts in minutes. Just plug it in, wait for it to heat, and close the lid for evenly toasted results. Its non-stick plates make cleanup a breeze. Compact and colorful, it's ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or even the office. Whether you're craving a grilled cheese or a sweet Nutella stuffed treat, this little machine delivers fast satisfaction without a stove or oven. Number 22. Hamilton Beach Flex Brew Trio 2-Way Coffee Maker. The Hamilton Beach Flex Brew Trio is a versatile coffee maker that caters to both single-serve drinkers and carafe lovers. You can use ground coffee or K-cups, brew 1 cup, or a full 12-cup pot, all in one compact machine. It's ideal for households with different coffee needs. It features separate water reservoirs and easy-touch programming, so your morning cup is always ready. If you need flexibility without sacrificing flavor, this coffee maker offers 2 brewing options that adapt to your daily routine. Number 23. Ninja NC301 Creamy Ice Cream Maker. Bring your dessert dreams to life with the Ninja NC301 Creamy Ice Cream Maker. It lets you create creamy ice cream, sorbet, gelato, and even milkshakes at home. Prep your base, freeze it, then let the creamy do the rest. It spins frozen bases into smooth, scoopable treats in minutes. Perfect for customizing flavors, adding mix-ins, or making healthier alternatives. This machine puts dessert in your hands, literally. It's compact, easy to clean, and perfect for families who love a sweet ending to any meal. Number 24. Mueller Ultra Toast Full Stainless Steel Toaster. 4-slice upgrade your breakfast game with the Mueller Ultra Toast 4-slice toaster. Built from full stainless steel, it's sleek, durable, and designed for families or busy mornings. You get 6 browning settings, dual controls, and extra-wide slots to handle everything from bagels to thick artisanal bread. With features like a removable crumb tray and high-lift lever, it's as practical as it is powerful. Whether you're prepping toast for 4 or just need a consistent crunch, this toaster gets the job done beautifully every time. Number 25. OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner. The OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner is a kitchen essential for anyone who enjoys fresh greens. Its one-handed pump mechanism spins your salad dry quickly and efficiently, so dressings stick better and your salad stays crisp. The non-slip base keeps the bowl steady while spinning. The inner basket doubles as a colander, and the clear outer bowl can be used for serving. From lettuce to herbs, this spinner saves time and reduces waste. No more soggy leaves or paper towels needed. Number 26. Black + Decker 12-Cup Programmable Coffee Maker. The Black + Decker 12-Cup Coffee Maker brings reliability and simplicity to your morning brew. It features a programmable timer, auto shutoff, and a sneak-a-cup feature that lets you grab a cup before the brewing cycle is complete. The large carafe is perfect for families or heavy coffee drinkers. Its compact design fits well in any kitchen, and the washable brew basket makes cleanup easy. If you want an affordable, no-fuss machine that delivers hot, delicious coffee daily, this is a solid pick. Number 27. Burger Press Hamburger Patty Maker. The Burger Press Hamburger Patty Maker gives you uniform, perfectly shaped burgers every time. Whether you're grilling beef, chicken, or veggie patties, this press helps create compact, even rounds that cook evenly and look great. It also works well for freezing batches for meal prep. Made from food-safe, non-stick materials, it's easy to clean and a fun tool for any burger enthusiast. Add this to your BBQ toolkit and impress your guests with restaurant-quality patties right off the grill. Number 28. Full-Star Mandolin Slicer for Kitchen. The Full-Star Mandolin Slicer turns prep work into a breeze. It includes multiple blades for slicing, julienning, grating, and dicing, so you can handle fruits and vegetables with precision and speed. The built-in handguard and non-slip base enhance safety while chopping. Its catch tray keeps your workspace tidy, and all parts are easy to clean. Whether you're meal prepping or whipping up a salad, this gadget speeds things up without sacrificing consistency. It's a real time saver in busy kitchens. Number 29. KitchenAid 3.5 Cup Food Chopper. The KitchenAid 3.5 Cup Food Chopper is a compact and stylish appliance perfect for everyday use. It quickly chops, mixes, and purees ingredients with its 2-speed operation and pulse feature. Great for prepping onions, garlic, nuts, or small batch sauces like pesto and hummus. It comes with a BPA-free work bowl, stainless steel blade, and a drizzle basin for adding liquids while processing. Small but mighty, this chopper fits easily on the counter and simplifies your cooking routine. Number 30. Electric can opener and knife sharpener save time and effort in the kitchen with a 2-in-1 electric can opener and knife sharpener. The electric opener effortlessly handles standard-sized cans, opening them smoothly and safely without sharp edges. With the added knife sharpener feature, you can keep your kitchen blades ready to perform. Its compact design fits easily on the counter or in a cabinet. This combo tool is perfect for seniors, busy cooks, or anyone wanting to reduce kitchen strain. It's practical, powerful, and a great multifunctional helper for everyday cooking. Thanks for watching. If you found a new kitchen favorite, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart Amazon finds. Let us know in the comments which gadget you're grabbing, or if we missed your go-to essential.